boy. Got the ghost lock. Y'all ain't even see the tag for real. First off, we got the, you know what I'm saying, new manifold, new turbo, new wastegate, same blow-off valve, rebuilt the motor. Now I need some tires, you know what I'm saying? We gotta throw that ghost lock in, you know what I'm saying? We in the new shop. We gonna fill y'all in about that later, you know what I'm saying, though. Wanna look at your car? Shout out to Jordan Distributors, you know what I'm saying? I threw in the, where they say like special instructions. I said do a backflip. And this is what they wrote. So I gotta go look at the link real quick. But they gave me a whole link, so.
What?
Yeah. I gotta go look that up. Alright, so we back. My job in a hood. We're gonna go ahead and go to. So here's this fuel pump relay part. Power. This goes to the battery, not like, you know, not the battery, but the battery that comes with it. And then I forgot where these go to, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up real quick. Get to it. Them boys set me up. This is all you pretty much get in the package. Stickers, you know what I'm saying? A couple cards. This is like the battery / GPS, I'm pretty sure. Some zip ties. And then, whatchamacallits, you know who they are. But, the relays. Oh, and then it comes with this too. I think we're supposed to take off this fuel pump cover. Really don't know how this works or how it's set up or anything, to be honest. I was told really quick how it was. Alright, so we got this off. Now look at this. You know what I'm saying? This is the plug. One of these plugs will go into this, basically. Well, not like that, but you know what I'm saying. One goes in the other, one goes in the other. Basically, have this one plugged into this. This one will go to back to the little yellow thing. Now, I'm thinking maybe I should unplug it because there ain't no way to unplug. Yeah, this ain't going through. So let me unplug it. Make sure you run it through your fuel pump cover first. Alright, so basically I'm trying to figure out how to do this, you know, how I'm going to run it, because focus up. Once you put this back, you know, this is also going to have to go through the same hole, so I don't want it to like sit off to the side or, you know, put it through here. And I could, but I don't feel like doing that. So what I'm going to do is run it a whole different way. Alright, for any of you motherfuckers looking at, you know, my videos trying to steal my car and shit. So basically, I got this on running under the car, and I ain't gonna tell y'all the rest. Haha. So basically, I have the clamp there, there. This is shit. Okay, sorry. This is the hole that I cut, and then I'm going to put this piece, since it's so fat, through there because I couldn't get it through, you know, any other hole in the body. I'm like, oh, I just thought about it. Wow. That's a fat hole right there. I definitely. I burned myself. Hopefully I can just. It's a temporary little panel back here. Somebody left a screw in my sound deck again. Alright, so now I got that hole. I should be able to put. It would be so much easier if I could. Alright, let me see it again. So like, basically, this has little two things right here, and then it has this little thing on the edge that you can hook another one up to. I tried to separate it right here, but I didn't. Nor do I want to break it and have to, you know, rewire it. I don't want to touch it. Simple as that. I'd rather just put this through here and make it look better afterwards. So relay part, and then we have the GPS / battery part. I think that's what it is. I guess these are the same. 30, 85, 86, 87, 87A. Bet. Same exact things. So we'll just plug it in. Plug it in. And then now we gotta run the power. Let's use this wire. That one I'm gonna be running through here to my fuse box. I go through this. You'll just see it come out of this little hole right here. You see it? Do you see it?
Yeah.
Cool. Got that wire. Hit one of those. Alright, so now all there is left to do is to connect this to a ground. And I don't know where I'm going to put one yet, but I'm thinking about doing it under here like I did these. Just put it right there. I'll widen it out a little bit, I guess. Cool. So we got the tag running, and we're gonna test out the ghost lock. So click the tag, click the whatchamacallit. So I don't understand how it's gonna disable the ignition. So I'm gonna try the ignition first, and then try the fuel pump. Mustang. Command is sent. Thought so. So let's try to disable fuel pump. Command is sent. And there it goes. No more takey. And I can, I guess, enable fuel pump. Command sent. I'll wait for it to turn back on. I didn't hear it turn back on, but I'm gonna try it anyways.